My name is Justin Lamb, and welcome to the PES Classroom. Today we'll be talking about how to gain fluidity in any given scale, whether to improve sight reading or improvisation.
All right, we're gonna start with the B-flat major scale. But instead of just going up and down, we're gonna apply a pattern starting with scale degrees 1, 2, 3. See if you can follow along. Flipping the shape on the way down. And there you have it. Let's use the pattern 1, 2, 3, 1. And if your mallets aren't tangled yet, try 1, 3, 1. All right, try the variations on the end and have fun.
And that is today's lesson from the PES Classroom.